Hey everyone, how are you? Today we will learn how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets software. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Google Sheets software and we can see here a data sum. Now we can see here some data is duplicates. You want to remove the duplicates. Now I am select the sheet. Then go to the data option and go to the data cleanup option. And we can see here the remove duplicate option. Now I am click this. And we can see here the selected all column and rows. Now I am click this remove duplicate option. Then we can see we select contains a merged cell. To remove duplicates, all merged cell contain the same number of row and columns. Now I am click OK. Otherwise you can select again and go to the data option and click this data cleanup and make click duplicate remove. Then click OK. Now we can see here two duplicates row found and remove this. And the 8 unique row remain. Now I'm click OK. We can see we easily remove duplicates from Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get the video next. Thanks for watching.